Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got a package in the mail. I know what's in it. There's a bunch of albums that I will be unboxing individually for obviously upcoming video. But I got all these from K-Town for You. As you can see, here's a list of them. And without further ado, let's get into it. I almost had an accident. My brand new phone almost came off. So I do have posters that will be shown as well. There's 2 tubes. I think there's 5 or 6 posters in each tube. And one and 2. Okay, let's lower it down and get closer to the albums. Nor my unpolished feet. As normal, I do record on my floor just because it's easier for a camera view and easier for me, and I'm not hunched over on tables. Readjust it. Okay, so first package. I really like how they package it. They make sure that the albums don't get ruined in the mail. Like I said, I know what comes in this, but I don't remember exactly which ones are going to be in what. Okay, so this is AB61X. It's their first EP, and I've got all 3 of the albums. And this is the one I'm actually looking forward to the most. It's newest 8th mini album. I've got all 4 to go through for you guys. So I'm really excited for these. I was trying to get the autographed ones, but my finances didn't come in for me before it was over. And then for the second one, it's Lady Code's Set on Fire. I think this is the first mini album they did after the accident. So I'm excited for that one. Then you've got X1's debut album. Where is it? Oh, here it is. You got X1's Quantum Leap that I will be unboxing as well. Then you have CXI's first EP, Hello. And then you have Vixen's 6th mini album, Continuum. All 3 versions as well. The posters go with the album, so I will show the posters as well with the unboxing of each album. So I hope you guys look forward to that. I'll have obviously multiple multiple more videos coming out for you. So that's my second mini K-pop haul for you. I will have more hauls for you, and my boxes of Inspire Me in Korea should be coming in soon as well. So I hope you look forward to my upcoming videos. Thank you.